this is second opportunity we have got from ZS and as well as JLL to execute their fit out projects. This is our second project with ZS, and it is really a great opportunity for SKV to get a repetitive job from a client.
Hi, I am Major Sanjay Dadwal, the office manager of ZS Associates at New Delhi office. I am presently taking care of the entire admin and real estate portfolio of ZS. We recently reached a 1200 employees milestone at our New Delhi office this year. So in order to maintain the same workflow and our vibrant culture, we needed 3 extra floors for our employees. The timeline for this project is very short and we needed someone who can deliver on time, and I would like to thank SKV and JLL for making this project a grand success.